Hello there, Sean here. This is the foreign exchange update for the week. We'll begin with the dollar index as usual, and we broke out higher on Thursday and then held that support point on Friday. What we have above coming into the election is very powerful zone at 94.73 to 94.80. A daily close above there from Wednesday onwards would leave no resistance until all the way up at 103.99. On the downside, if we make a daily close below 93.35.5, that would put the market back in sideways, but we actually need a daily close below 92.40 to turn the trend down, and that would aim for the final weekly support at 91.76. Euro dollar. We had that daily sell signal the week before at the final resistance at 118.73, and we actually broke down on Wednesday, so ahead of the dollar. It then failed at the breakdown point at 117.64 on Thursday and extended lower. Coming into this week, a very important monthly support at 114.95. If we make a daily close below there, and remember that we ignored this level on the way up, that would be highly bearish and target to 106.35. Daily close back above 117.64 puts us in sideways, and of course 118.73 would turn the trend up. It's worth remembering that the speculators are still extremely long euros and very short of dollars, so they could be forced out of their positions. Onto the pound. Now cable had that negative signal the week before, and we've drifted lower. 128.63, the key point. Daily close below there is negative and leaves nothing until 114.09. Very powerful resistance, 132.01 from 131.77. So it needs a daily close above there to turn the picture positive. Dollar yen. Broke down the week before, but then we've received what's called a POPs buy signal on Thursday, and so really there's no permission to be short any longer. That trade didn't really develop or work. 104.33.5 is your support point. Daily close below Thursday's low would be negative and aim for 101.18, and we've got 106.94 above. Aussie dollar. Got a negative signal on Wednesday, but it's right into what is a very powerful zone of weekly support, and we've so far held that low pretty much perfectly. Takes a daily close below 70.05, and that would be negative because there is no support for a very long way. Resistance wise, we've got to take out to 71.58 to turn the picture positive once more. Kiwi. Also received a negative signal on Wednesday, but it was a more powerful one. Bigger divergences there. But really, the downside appears limited because we've got that big weekly zone at 65.11 to 64.43. Needs a daily close below there to truly say that the trend is down and we're coming out of this sideways move. Above the market, 67.56. Dollar CAD. Positive week for dollar CAD. Hasn't actually managed to break up though, and the barrier has been raised, so it requires a daily close above 134.21 to turn the major trend up. Otherwise, we're still stuck in sideways. Finally, quick look at the euro pound. And not much to report. There was a negative in the sideways pattern the week before, and we did break down in a minor way on Friday. But what you have is 89.31, the key level below, and then 91.78 and 92.92 above. Okay, that's it for this week. Thanks very much.